Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OnePlus Nord CE 5. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can reset this device. Let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reset using the settings. So let's open them up. Now simply scroll down until you find System and Update. Click on that, now click on Backup and Reset, and now on the bottom we have options to reset the phone. Of course we are interested in the last option, erase all data, but in here beside that we can also reset network and Bluetooth settings and also reset all settings. And now all we need to do is to tap on erase all data. Now we need to draw the lock screen to confirm. Remember that all of your data will be permanently lost unless you have a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. So draw your lock screen, follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly your device will be turned off. Then it will be turned on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. And that's the first method, and now let's go into the factory reset using the recovery mode, and that's the second option. And this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive or when it's lagged. So to do it we need to power off our device first. Let's hold the power button and volume up button to launch the power menu, and now let's drag this white ball into the power off. Now our device is turned off. And now to get access into the recovery mode we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button until the recovery mode launches, so keep holding both of the buttons. Alright, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu we use the volume keys, and if you want to confirm the selected option click on the power button, but you can also always use your fingers. So now we want to click on format data. Now we need to type this code using our keyboard. Okay, and now we need to click on format. Remember that all of your data will be also lost. So click on format. Okay, now click on OK. And now our device within seconds will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. And the next thing we need to do is to of course set it up. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.